Mike Macias. I've been with ADD for a little over 6 years now. I'm the laser bend department lead. We get our deliveries of material delivered right at the back end of our department, but we stage all three of the most commonly used materials right here around the laser. The laser operators will load a different type of material based upon what the file is that they're running. There's different thickness of material for the metal. They will load the program in, load the material on the laser, send it in, it'll begin to cut. Quality starts there. When they're offloading the material, they need to be checking logos, they need to be checking cuts and piercings. They'll organize it, stage it on a pallet, and get it prepped and ready for bend. Per bend, we're given an angle we need to achieve. The actual monitor will show you what specific tooling you need for that job. Then it gets palletized, organized, counted, and then sent off for the next process.